Hello everyone. Today we are taking chapter 1 number system of class 9 standard. As the chapter name is number system, so first let's recall different types of numbers which we have done in earlier classes. The first is natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are nothing but the counting numbers. For example, suppose I have few chocolates. Now, how do I know how many chocolates do I have? So we have to count. So we will start 1, 2, 3, so on like that. So we are counting the chocolates. That means counting numbers we are using. And that counting numbers are called natural numbers. And it starts from 1. Right? So capital N, that is natural numbers, we show it by group of numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There is no and to the numbers. So natural number starts from 1. And these all are positive only, right? We cannot say I have minus 5 chocolates or minus 2 chocolates. No. When we have something, that means it is a positive number only. Now next is whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. Now what are whole numbers? The natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Now what are natural numbers? This we have discussed. Natural numbers means it starts from 1 and all the positive numbers. Now in that collection, see this is natural number from 1 to infinity. This is a collection of natural number. In this, if I will add 0 also, so it will become whole number. So whole numbers are nothing but a collection of natural numbers and 0. Now next, integers. Integers are denoted by Z. Now what are integers? Whole numbers including negative numbers are called integers. Whole numbers means what? 0 and positive numbers. That means in the collection of positive numbers and 0, if we will add negative numbers also, we will get integers. So here capital Z is equals to, it's a collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. So these are called integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. So what are rational numbers? The numbers which can be written in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0 are called rational numbers. See, P by Q form means in the form of numerator and denominator. P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. This form we have done in fractions also. Fractions are also written in the form of P by Q. But what is the difference between rational number and fraction? That rational numbers may be positive or negative, but fractions are always positive. Now here example I have written Q means rational number. Here minus 1 upon 3. Now minus 1 upon 3 may, if you will see, P is minus 1 and Q is minus 3. And we have written P and Q are integers. So integers can be positive or can be negative. That means rational numbers can be positive or can be negative. But if I will say minus 1 upon 3, is minus 1 upon 3 a fraction? No. Why? Because it is negative. Fractions cannot be negative. Fractions are always positive. Now second example, 4 upon 11. Now it is again in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers. Next, 15 upon 7, again P by Q form, P and Q are integers. So 4 upon 11 is a rational number as well as fraction also because it is positive. And 15 upon 7, it is a rational number as well as fraction also. So all the rational numbers are, all the fractions are rational numbers, but all the rational numbers are not fractions. And between two given rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. This we have discussed in the previous class also. Now, let's see the pictorial representation of number system. Our first number system we have natural numbers. Right? Natural numbers means the numbers which starts from 1 and it includes all the positive numbers. So here 1, 5, 9, 3. These all are the natural numbers. Now, in these natural numbers, if I will add 0, then the new collection will be called as whole numbers. That means whole numbers are the collection of natural numbers and 0. Now, in this collection, if I will add negative numbers also, like -5, -8, -1, -3, then the new collection is called integers. That means integers includes all the natural numbers, whole numbers and the negative numbers. So integer is a bigger term. Now, in this collection, that means the collection of natural numbers or zero or the negative numbers, if I will add the numbers which are in the form of p by q form, that means 5 upon 9 or minus 3 upon 5, we are getting rational numbers. The rational number is much more bigger term. Okay, rational number includes all the integers, all the whole numbers, all the natural numbers. You can see this box. See natural numbers, first box. So natural numbers means all the positive numbers. But second box, if we will see, that is whole number. This box involves first box also. That means all the natural numbers are whole numbers. Now we will see the third box, integers. In this integers, we have whole number box also and natural numbers box also. That means all the whole numbers are integers and all the natural numbers are integers. And then the final one, rational numbers. Rational number includes all the integers, all the whole numbers and all the natural numbers. Right? Now this is the pictorial representation of the number system which we have discussed. Now based on this, we have few statements that all natural numbers are whole numbers. Right? See, we have seen this natural numbers here, natural numbers and whole numbers. So all the natural numbers are whole numbers. Second, all the whole numbers are integers. So you can see the integers box. All the whole numbers are in this box only. That means whole numbers are integers. Third, all the integers are rational numbers. If you will see integers, this box, and rational numbers is the last one. So rational number includes everything. That means all the integers are rational numbers, all the whole numbers are also rational numbers, and all the natural numbers are also rational numbers. But the reverse of all the above statement is not true. Right? We cannot say that all the whole numbers are natural numbers. Why? Because 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not natural number because it is not inside the box. Right? And -5 is integer, but we cannot say that -5 is a whole number because whole numbers are only positive numbers and 0. So the reverse of all the above statement is not true. Now let's start exercise 1.1 based on the explanation. So question number 1, is 0 a rational number? So they are asking whether the number 0 is a rational number, and can you write it in the form p by q where p and q are the integers and q not equals to 0. So first we have to prove whether 0 is a rational number or not. So first we should know what are the rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which we can write in p by q form where p and q are the integers and q not equals to 0. Now think, can we write 0 in the form of p by q? Yes, we can write 0 as 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.10, so on. 0, if we will divide by any number, we will get a 0 only. That means we can write 0 in the form of p by q, where p and q are the integers. If we will see the first case, here p is 0. 0 is an integer. Q is 1. 1 is an integer. Third case 0 0.5. P is 0, integer. Q is 5, integer. And Q is not equals to 0. In all the cases, denominator is not 0. That means 0 is a rational number. And when it's a rational number, we can write in the form of p by q. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So the given numbers are 3 and 4. We have to find out the rational numbers. So 3 and 4 we can write as a rational number also. 3 means 3 by 1 and 4 means 4 by 1. Now if we will see these two rational numbers directly, 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. So we cannot write any rational number between these two. Okay, so what we will do, we will find out the equivalent fraction for this. And what to do to find the equivalent fraction? We will multiply the rational number by some number. So what I prefer, I prefer to multiply by 10. So it depends on how many rational numbers we have to find out. Now here we have to find out 6 only. So I am multiplying it by 10. So I will multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by 10. So I am getting 30 upon 10. Now the next rational number 4 by 1 with same number 10 and 10, I am multiplying numerator and denominator and I am getting 40 upon 10. Now between 30 upon 10 and 40 upon 10, we can write any 6 rational numbers, right? Between 30 and 40, we have 31, 32, 33 like this, 31 upon 10, 32 upon 10 like this. We can write any 6 rational numbers. So 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 31 upon 10, 32 upon 10, 33 upon 10, 34 upon 10, 35 upon 10 and 36 upon 10. You can take any other 6 rational numbers. You can write 39 upon 10, 38 upon 10. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So here given numbers are 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. If directly we will see these rational numbers, we cannot write even a single rational number between these two. So what we will do? We will find the equivalent fraction of these numbers. So 3 by 5, I am multiplying numerator and denominator by 10. So I am getting 30 upon 50. And the second number 4 upon 5, I am multiplying again with the same number 10. I am getting 40 upon 50. So between 30 upon 50 and 40 upon 50, we can write any 5 rational numbers. It's same like the previous question only. Between 30 upon 50 and 40 upon 50, there are 31 upon 50, 32 upon 50, so on till 39 upon 50. So among those numbers, we can choose any 5 rational numbers. So 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are, I have taken 31 upon 50, 32 upon 50, 33 upon 50, 34 upon 50 and 35 upon 50. Now let's do question number 4. Question number 4 is state whether the following statements are true or false and give reason for your answer. The first statement is every natural number is a whole number. So before doing this statement, first let's recall what are the natural numbers and what are the whole numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers which starts from 1, right? It includes all the positive numbers. And whole numbers, natural numbers plus 0. So here, natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. That means whole numbers is a bigger term. Whole number is a bigger term. It involves all the natural numbers and 0 also. That means every natural number is a whole number. That means the given statement is true. Now second point, every integer is a whole number. Now what are the integers? Whole number we have discussed again. Whole numbers means the numbers which includes natural numbers plus 0. But integers are the numbers which includes negative numbers also, positive numbers also and 0 also. That means integers is a bigger term. That means every integer cannot be whole number, right? Whole numbers including negative numbers are called integers. So every integer cannot be whole number. If I will say minus 3 is an integer, right? But is minus 3 a whole number? No, because here integer is a bigger term. So the given statement is false. The third statement, every rational number is a whole number. Now what are the rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which we can write in the form of p by q, right? And p by q, p and q should be integers and q should not be equals to 0. So rational numbers we can write as fractions, right? P by q form is fractions only. But whole numbers we cannot write as fractions. If I will say 1 upon 2, is it a whole number? The answer will be no. But it's a rational number, right? So every rational number is a whole number? No. Rational number like 1 upon 3, 5 upon 8, these are the rational numbers. But these are not whole numbers. That means the given statement is false.